Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be making a classic Cookinglish recipe which are called chocolate truffles. Now if you're a student you will have made these at least once and possibly twice, and today we're going to be doing them but with a little bit of a difference. We're actually going to be using some of these little sticks which are going to be then converting these chocolate truffles into little lollipops. So we're going to have a look at that in about 2 seconds.
First, we break up the biscuits and put them into the blender, crushing them into a fine powder. Put this into a bowl before adding a teaspoon of cocoa powder. Mix this up, try not to play with it too much. We now add the first part of our dulce de leche and mix this gently with a spatula. Once that's been incorporated, we can now add the second part of our dulce de leche.
Okay, so once we get it to this stage where it's very moist, quite compact and very sticky, then we're ready to make the balls. What I'm going to be doing is putting on a pair of gloves because this is going to get messy.
Take half a tablespoon of the biscuit mix and using the palms of your hands, roll these into balls.
So once you've finished rolling the balls, we then go into the freezer for about 15 to 20 minutes. So what we're going to do now is melt some white chocolate.
Using the bain-marie method, we melt this until it's almost liquid. It's important not to overheat the chocolate, so remove it from the pan and continue to melt using the residual heat. Place this into a small bowl and then we're ready to assemble. Take a lollipop stick and place the tip into the chocolate. This will effectively become the glue between the stick and the ball. Insert this 3/4 of the way in and then dip this into the white chocolate. Cover this with sprinkles and then place it into a cup full of rice. Once you've finished, place the lollipops into the fridge for about 15 minutes to set.
So that's how we convert our chocolate truffles into chocolate lollipops. I hope you enjoy the class and I look forward to seeing you for the next class very soon. Take care, bye for now.